What up, guys? Nacho Pranks back in the cut. You know, we finna film the sneezing prank video with a Glock. We finna spray people out here in the city. We out here just chilling, straight chilling. It's been like 8 months since my last video, but you know, we back on the grind and we blowing up 2020. Fuck, man, I have all these allergies, bro. What am I? My bad, bro. My bad.
I was like, that's bro.
I'm kidding. It was one. For watching my video, Nacho Pranks, you know, just posted another video after like 8 months, but you know, that didn't happen no more. I'm not capping this time for real. We're actually posting, you know. We got a new prank coming out on the way. We got shit coming, you know. I'm not gonna drag, this is my career. I just got out of high school. So yeah, thanks for tuning in.